Making money through affiliate marketing is one of the most rewarding careers one could ever have, as this business allows anyone to join and carve their path to success. Affiliate marketing has been known to be a cost-efficient and accessible method of conveying long-term results, enabling individuals to start their journey even with a shoestring budget. With affiliate marketing, one can enjoy the benefit of working from home, relishing the freedom and flexibility that comes from being one's own boss. Although it's important to acknowledge that some individuals do fail in this business. The challenges often arise from a lack of knowledge and tactics, making it essential for aspiring website owners to know where to find effective affiliate programs. ClickBank serves as an ideal starting point for those looking to enter the affiliate marketing space, offering one of the largest affiliate marketing programs in the industry. To get started, individuals simply need to visit the ClickBank site, obtain a ClickBank ID, and proceed to explore products and services that align with their website's niche. Once on the ClickBank homepage, users can find products ranked by popularity, making it easier for them to choose items that resonate with their audience. Acting as a bridge between web merchants and their associated affiliates, ClickBank is responsible for providing the necessary technology to facilitate the delivery of merchant offers and campaigns. This affiliate network not only collects commission fees from merchants, but also distributes them to the affiliates involved in the program, ensuring a fair and transparent process. ClickBank provides access to an extensive and growing network of over 100,000 affiliates, each skilled in attracting potential customers to merchant programs. The appeal of ClickBank for affiliates lies in the fair and transparent process of earning commissions, a key factor driving more and more individuals to join this robust network. Joining ClickBank is straightforward for web merchants who merely need to sign up for free and allow ClickBank to facilitate the sale of their products. Merchants are encouraged to maintain a promotional website that provides potential customers with comprehensive information about their products or services to maximize sales opportunities. In return for their partnership, ClickBank promotes and sells the merchant's products, provides customer service, and facilitates ongoing communication between merchants and affiliates. Merchants are also provided with real-time sales reporting that keeps both them and their affiliates informed about performance, ensuring transparency and effective strategy adjustments. For aspiring ClickBank affiliates, entering the network is a low-barrier process that requires simply placing their ClickBank link on their website and completing the affiliate form if they don't already have an account. Once registered, affiliates have the freedom to select their preferred marketing tools to drive traffic and generate sales, making the process straightforward and accessible. While joining ClickBank is simple, achieving the status of a super affiliate requires a mastery of selling multiple affiliate products and expertise in various marketing strategies. To be a successful ClickBank super affiliate, one must develop a strong skill set in areas such as search engine optimization, email marketing, and various promotional techniques. Creating a website that offers valuable content is crucial, as it allows affiliates to place their links effectively while ensuring that visitors receive quality information they are interested in. Affiliates should focus on delivering quality content while allowing their sales letter pages to handle the selling, thus creating a seamless user experience. Promoting multiple affiliate programs is beneficial, but affiliates should select the ones that genuinely fit their site, concentrating their efforts for maximum impact. Automation is key for super affiliates, allowing them to streamline their processes and focus more on growing their business without getting bogged down by daily tasks. Continuous learning and staying updated on trends in affiliate marketing is crucial for success, as what worked previously may not hold true today. While becoming a ClickBank super affiliate can be challenging, maintaining persistence, patience, and a willingness to learn are essential traits for anyone aiming to thrive in this competitive business. Success in affiliate marketing often comes from careful planning and strategy, as well as learning from experiences to navigate the challenges that may arise. Developing clear milestones and strategies not only aids in tracking progress, but also motivates aspiring affiliates to stay focused on their journey towards becoming successful ClickBank super affiliates. Engaging with a community of fellow ClickBank affiliates can provide valuable insights and support, making the journey toward success less daunting and more collaborative. Establishing clear performance goals and regularly reviewing progress not only enhances accountability, but also drives continuous improvement in affiliate marketing efforts. Participating in webinars and online tutorials can significantly enhance knowledge and provide fresh perspectives on strategies that lead to successful affiliate marketing. Creating an inspiring and organized work environment, along with collaborating with others through digital platforms, can enhance productivity and creativity for affiliate marketers. High-quality content that engages visitors, such as product reviews accompanied by multimedia elements, can significantly boost user interaction and lead to higher conversion rates in affiliate marketing. Networking at events and utilizing infographics as learning tools can help affiliates stay informed and connected within the industry while enhancing their marketing practices. Leveraging social media advertising and targeted campaigns can greatly enhance visibility for ClickBank products, allowing affiliates to reach a broader audience effectively.